So here we have Parkside's newest product, the ultra gimmicky jumper cable set with integrated coin cell operated LEDs in every clamp. That's certainly not a very useful feature, but it comes with these ultra thick 25 millimeter cables. They are copper coated aluminum, but at this conductor cross section, that shouldn't be a problem. One interesting feature though is this interesting black box. These jumper cables are supposed to be able to handle both 12 and 24 volts. The box has this curious green LED that should indicate polarity, but most interesting of all, it promises to offer overvoltage protection when you are jumping your car, so getting rid of any odd inductive transients that might fry your ECU. So let's put some applied violence to this ultrasonically welded plastic box and see what's inside. So having gutted this box with this very sharp and handy opening device, we can see that it is practically empty. Nothing more inside except these two components. We have our polarity diode, certainly with a resistor hidden beneath this heat shrink coating here. And most interesting of all, we have our transient handling metal oxide varistor. It is marked, curiously enough, 20D390K, which lets us believe this to be a 20 millimeter diameter, 39 volt activating varistor. So any transients going above 39 volts will allow this varistor to conduct and sync them back to ground. Seeing that it is set up for 12 and 24 volts, that's why they probably had to choose the higher value. That in 12 volt cars I don't think will make any difference. Not too many transients I think that happen when you're jump starting the car, so totally a gimmick. Also of note is that this whole device here connects onto the cable just using these two spikes that are just press fitted into each of the positive and negative cables. So the connection one is getting through these contacts, certainly after a couple of years of corrosion and bouncing around in your trunk, probably won't be as reliable as one would hope. But it's interesting to see what kind of little tricks and gimmicks they put into these devices just to be able to market them as something special. I hope you like this quick video and hope to see you around next time. Bye-bye.